Okay, guys, it's January 6th, I think, 2022. Update on the Cobra project. Start up an engine compartment. Got everything in wire looms. All the wires are neatened up. Still some cable ties left. I'll wait until I get the body on to finish those off. Went with the Breeze hood hinge setup rather than the factory 5. I just thought it was simpler, and I got it from a guy who bought both of them and only used the one, obviously. All the aluminum work has been done on the foot boxes, and brakes are all bled. Everything's working. Moving up to the dash area. Dash is done. Painted the ABS plastic glove compartment with flat black, and it matched the covering provided by Factory 5 almost perfectly. I went with a square shifter instead of the round ones they provide with that big long shifter extension. I just didn't like it, so I'm using the B&M quick throw, and I put a square boot over it, my little spin on it. Seats are in. They're surprisingly comfortable. The wheels are mounted and on. They still have to have the spinners and the covers on them, but right now they're just on there temporarily. I've got a crap pair I'll use when it goes to paint. In the back, all the wiring again is in looms. Of course, you don't see it. And all the metal's done. New battery, roll bar, which was a giant pain. You have to drill through so much metal. And that one right there, I was drilling with an 1/8 inch pilot hole, and just before it was ready to break through on the other side, it sheared off flush on this side. And you can't drill out a drill with another drill. So I drilled underneath it, stepping up to at least get this side free. I couldn't get to the other side. When I drilled through, I was off by, 1/8 an inch. It was still locked in there, so I just took a piece of 2x4 with a big hammer and just kept beating on it and sheared it off. I thought I was going to have to cut that mounting stud off and re-weld it. It was that desperate. It took me about 2 hours. That's about it. Everything is working really good. I did find a problem. I had a vacuum leak that I had created by hooking up that spot right there, which is a connection point for vacuum for the vacuum assist brakes, which I don't have. I had hooked that up to the PCV valve, and that was just too much unregulated air, and I was running really lean at idle, and it would miss. But that's been taken care of. But coming along, if this weather cooperates, I'll start working on the body again. And that's a messy job. So that's the update. Coming along. Looking like a car now. Take care.